Really love your job. 87% people in the world do the job which they don't love. So please ask yourself these questions. The work, the job, the business you do you really love or not? Your one third life is invested in that one. In our life, we have only the two choices. Do the job which we love or love the job which we do. So please understand this is one important part here. So we have the program called as the Ikigai Find Your Dharma. So Hanumanji's blessings. Please remember, like the moment Hanumanji's, come contact with the Bhimishan. So Bhimishan is started surrendering to the Hanumanji, created the Hanuman Vadvana Stotra, and then Hanumanji is given him the Lanka ka pati, means he make him the king of the Lanka, his dharma. So please remember, so this is what is the beauty of the Hanumanji. So like that way we are going to be undiscover your dharma and find out that what is your passion, what is your purpose, what is your ikigai. So please don't miss this Icchapoorti Hanuman Sadhana special session which will concentrate only on the career. How to get your dream job in this Diwali. So if that is the purpose, please join this free webinar and don't miss it any cost. I can promise you that when hundreds of people are transformed their life, including me. I left my IT career after 20 years and become the first millionaire in my life. So if it is the same thing you want to do it, please do it what you really love to do it in your life. Jai Sri Hanuman, Jai Bajrang.